Okay, so interesting one here. Something I've never seen. I own a 2017 Ram 6.7 Cummins, and out of the blue, 35,000 miles on it, I started getting this humming resonating through the steering wheel and even the brake pedal. Almost felt like it was coming directly from the firewall. At first, I thought it might be a power steering pump. Um, Not only are they hard to get, but it wasn't really sold on that being the problem. So did a little digging. Of course, anytime you search power steering hose or pump or any steering box, anything, you always come up with those uh, power steering hoses where the Teflon liner will come out. I think it was on like from 2010 to maybe 2013 or so, that style hose where the liner would actually come out and protrude into the Hydro Boost. Well, anyway, they supposedly fixed that by going to this style end on the newer design hoses. Well, they did fix it from coming out of the end, but what they didn't do is actually fix the problem. So I cut the end of this hose off because I wanted to see what was in it, and as you can see, there's a Teflon liner. And when I look down inside, well, where's the other end? I shook the hose, and here it comes. Just a piece of it. And there's more in there. This is what was making that buzzing, humming sound, like similar to a power steering pump, or maybe even the fan engaging and slightly roaring around 1100 to 1300 RPM, to the point where it would just drive you crazy. And that's what it was. So good job, Ram, on fixing the hose from coming out the end, but bad job on fixing the actual problem of the liner breaking. So unfortunately, I bought another Mopar hose and put a brand new hose on it, which fixed the problem for now. But it's identical to what's here laying on the ground that's messed up. So I'll figure in a couple years, maybe I'll put something aftermarket on that's a different design, hopefully has a different inside hose. So figured I'd pass that along because I couldn't find any real information. Looked like a couple people on Turbo Diesel Register and other places were chatting about it, and did see one or two posts about a power steering hose fixing the problem. So I thought, you know what, it's worth it. Let me try it. I think it was $130 shipped to the house for free, somewhere in that neighborhood. So anyway, pass it along. Thanks. Bye.